This power supply offers essential peace of mind for CPAP users, ensuring your therapy continues uninterrupted through power outages or during hurricane season. With a substantial capacity of 297 watt-hours, it can power most CPAP machines for 5 to 7 full nights of sleep on a single charge. Weighing just under 4 pounds and featuring an integrated handle, this battery is remarkably portable, making it an ideal companion for camping trips and other outdoor adventures. It includes a comprehensive set of 5 clearly labeled and color-coded cables, providing out-of-the-box compatibility with the vast majority of popular CPAP devices. The unit is equipped with 3 distinct DC outputs to accommodate various CPAP voltage requirements, plus a handy USB-A port for charging your smartphone or tablet simultaneously. Everything you need comes neatly organized in a convenient accessory bag, including the power station, its charger, and the full assortment of specialized connectors.